So when we have a listing, we sell it to the buyer. We emphasize on every highlight in the house and the potential, which bring the visual aspect of it, of the buyer and what they can do in the house. So let me show you what we're gonna do in this home. So first option is to bring this wall all the way to the same wall as the garage, and it will give you much more space inside. Second option, there's nothing above this ceiling, so you can open it as a vaulted ceiling, and you can add skylight that give you a feel of a larger room and of course more light. You can also convert this window into a sliding door and then create another outdoor space close to the kitchen where you can do barbecues, easy access to the side yard, and then you move this dining room in here. And another option that everybody loves to do is open floor concept. So you can open this wall in here in the kitchen, leaving probably where the wall behind the fridge. Open this all the way to here, and then you can add a large island with more storage underneath. By doing all that, it will bring the home into more modern look, more open floor plan, and a great room area.